Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make beautiful orange flowers that you can use to decorate your drinks or anything else really. Let's get started. You need a decent size orange. Grab it with your two fingers at the top and the thumb at the bottom. This will give you a good idea how far to cut the orange skin so that the petals are more or less equal. As you can see, I am making long lines at an angle from my two fingers towards my thumb, so that they form this zigzag pattern out of which petals will emerge. If you haven't done many of those flowers, you don't want to cut in very deep. Just cut slightly on the skin so you can make another correct line if necessary without throwing out the orange. Also, you want to keep them quite wide and check from time to time if you wouldn't end up with super narrow or super wide petal at the end. So far, it should look like this. Now just dip in your knife following the lines, right to the center of the orange. Sometimes you will need to go twice to ensure that it is cut properly and will separate easily later. And once you're done, just grab the orange on opposite sides and pull them apart. Very gently, bit by bit. You don't want to pull strongly, otherwise all the juices will start to drop down and you will end up with squeezed flour. So this is how it looks, already very pretty, and you can stop here if you wish. But to get the full effect, keep on watching. Now you need to make a cutting on each petal from the top to the bottom. Keep as close to the hard skin as possible. Essentially, you want to keep the white skin on the inner petal so that it holds in one piece without juices coming out. If you cut too much by accident, oh well, hopefully it will stay in one piece. Here I'm just making sure that all petals are cut right to the bottom. And once you spread the petals, you get a beautiful lotus flower. And again, you can leave it as it is, or you can go one step further and add eye-catching red petals made from strawberries. Basically, you cut washed and stamped out strawberries into very thin layers. The thinner, the better. And then you just insert the strawberry pieces between the petals. If it isn't holding well, just cut the outer petal a bit further towards the bottom until the strawberry sits well. Also, you will probably need to try a few strawberries to get the right size, as it doesn't look as pretty when the strawberry slices are too thick or go outside of the petals. And finally, just drop a piece of strawberry in the middle. I had loads of oranges, so I just squeezed out some orange juice and served it in tiki mugs with the Orange Lotus Flower on top. What an amazing way of celebrating the last days of summer. You might also like to see how to make orange pineapple garnish, sun garnish or pirate ship garnish. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time.